You know, some people say that breakfast is the best way to start your day, but I say the best way to start your day is stretching. Talk about yumminess for your joints. You should do it before any of this nonsense. It only takes 5 minutes. A wiggle a day keeps the niggles away.
Tom, you can't break into people's houses. It's against the law.
I am the law, Jenny, and this man's hip flexibility is a crime against humanity.
Be more sensible, get Flong and Sexible.
Everything was fine last night and I'm gonna be late for work.
You know, driving everywhere robs you of your opportunity to get some good movement in, day to day. Having a little stretch and choosing to take a stroll is like lubricant for your joints. Remember, a wiggle a day keeps the niggles away.
Yeah, good job you checked. That could have been a whoopsie.
Not stretching for 20 years sounds like a bit of a whoopsie to me.
Be more sensible, get Flong and Sexible.
You know, stretching while warm is a great way to increase your flexibility and work on your range of motion. You'll feel more relaxed and limber. Remember, a wiggle a day
Keep the niggles away, I know, but this is...
What? Can you see how inappropriate this is?
This is a private conversation. Pervert!
I'm not picking that up.
Just wanted to see if you could touch your toes.
Be more sensible, get Flong and Sexible.
You know, we spend the vast majority of our time at work. It can be many hours racked up in one position. Taking a few minutes to stand up and to move around can be amazing for your posture. And remember, a
wiggle a day keeps the niggles away.
Anderson, you're fired!
Tom, I told you, you can't follow people to work. You got him fired.
your livelihood, your sense of purpose. Think about all the free time you'll have to stretch now.
Be more sensible, get Flong and Sexible.
You know, you probably have more downtime than you think you do. Doing some hip stretches, even for just 5 minutes in the evening, is super beneficial. And remember,
a wiggle a day keeps the niggles away.
How does he keep getting into the house?
Yeah, Tom, this is pretty much harassment.
And you keep breaking in too. I'm calling the police.
Be more sensible, get Flong and Sexible.
you know, without regular mobility work, it's very common to see people pull muscles or even injure themselves during their favorite activities. A little bit of daily movement goes a long way. Remember, a wiggle a day keeps the niggles away.
Niggles away.
Tom,
Yes, Jenny?
have you been doing this the whole street? These police officers want to speak to you.
5, 4, yeah.
Whoa! Tom! I've never heard of him. He does sound incredibly sexy, though. But he has amazing biceps, too. Boop.
All clear. No one here except a devilishly handsome grandma.
Be more sensible, get Flong and Sexible.